Are you looking to sell your home? Here are the top 10 reasons why you should stage your home. When you hire a certified staging professional, you will get a 10% better sales price on average than you initially expected. The money you invest to stage your home will actually bring you a return on that investment. It has been proven that a staged home sells faster and for more money. People buy on emotion. When a buyer starts to see themselves living in your home, relaxing on the couch, having a cookout with friends in the backyard, what comes next is the offer to buy. When you combine a staged room with professional photos, you instantly increase the amount of eyeballs looking at your home when people are searching online. You need a professional that can be objective and leave emotion to the side as they strategically create a space that makes buyers eager to purchase. All homes have a few little flaws that can push buyers away, but a unique and creatively staged home will allow the potential buyer the ability to look past those flaws and focus on the wonderful qualities of your home. Just relax. Moving is one of the most stressful times in a person's life, and by having a professional stager on your side, it makes the process of organizing, packing, and getting ready for the move that much easier. The top real estate websites agree. Staging your home is the second most critical action item you as the seller must do when selling. Staging sells homes quickly and for more money. If you do not stage your home and your neighbor does, their home will sell faster than yours. Contact me today to discuss how we can sell your home fast and for more money.